After the tremendous success of Robogene 8, STEM Robotics is excited to launch Robogene 9, the 9th edition of Robotics and Artificial Intelligence Summer Camp for school kids age group 7 to 11 will explore block coding in robotics, IoT and artificial intelligence. Senior kids age group 12 plus will focus on text coding in robotics, IoT and artificial intelligence. After 2 months of hands-on and experiential learning process, kids and teens should be able to come up with their own projects and participate in Robogene 9, the mega event. Best innovators would win exciting prizes and certificates. Contact us for more details. Thank you.